Hey everyone, I'm Aaron from Low and Slow Basics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some beef short ribs in the old faithful Weber kettle. So we're going to be using the snake method with some olive pipco briquettes. We're going to use a few chunks of black waterwood from Natural Smoke, and then we're going to trim up our short ribs, which we picked up from our local Drake supermarket. And then we're going to rub them in one of our favourite beef rubs, being the Cosmos Q Texas beef. So we'll get started and I'll show you a few things along the way. Alright, so our snake, we got started with about 12 briquettes that were nice and red hot. We used our chimney starter for that. We just put them at the start of the snake and that got them going. We had all of our vents wide open just to bring that temperature up. And then I slowly started shutting down that bottom vent once we hit about that 200 degrees Fahrenheit mark in the pit. And then we just stabilised it off at about that 300 mark, which it's been sitting at nicely now. So our bottom vent's almost closed. We've just left our top vent open. So this has been going for about 2 hours now, so it's due for a spritz, so we'll open it up and have a look. Alright, so we're about 7.5 hours in, just had a probe and they're around that 200 internal mark. They're probing like a hot knife through butter. The snake has ran absolutely beautifully today. It's sat between that 275 to 300 mark for the whole cook. So I'm going to get them out now. We're going to give them a rest for about an hour before we slice and serve them. Alright, so these are done and they look and smell incredible. They're so soft and tender. So we'll have a taste now, eh? Man. Seriously. Some of the best beef ribs I've done. Super soft, juicy, full of flavour, that black waterwood, that Texas beef seasoning, all incredible. So I'm getting stuck into the rest of them. So cheers for watching and we'll see you next time.